Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to block all incoming calls on iPhone. So let's dive right in. The most effective way to block all incoming calls is with Do Not Disturb mode. So launch the Settings app on your iPhone. It's the app that looks like a grey gear icon, typically found on your home screen. Navigate to the Focus menu. Focus mode encompasses Do Not Disturb and other functionalities that can silence notifications and calls based on your preferences. In older iPhones, pre-iOS 15, this menu might be labeled simply as Do Not Disturb. Tap on Do Not Disturb. This will bring you to the specific settings for Do Not Disturb mode. Crucially, under the Allow Calls From section, choose No One. This is the key step to blocking all incoming calls. By selecting No One, you ensure that Do Not Disturb mode silences calls from any number, even those in your contacts or with recent call history. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.